The future of artificial intelligence may not look like what most people expect, and the reason is something that is rarely discussed. When people imagine the future of AI, they often think about machines that think like humans, fully autonomous systems capable of replacing people in almost every task. But the reality is likely to be more complex. Today's AI systems are incredibly powerful tools, but they are still specialized systems. They recognize patterns in data, generate predictions, and assist humans in solving problems. They do not truly understand the world in the way humans do. In the coming years, artificial intelligence will probably become deeply integrated into many industries. It will help doctors analyze medical images, assist scientists in discovering new materials, optimize energy systems, and automate many repetitive tasks. Rather than replacing humans completely, AI will more likely become a powerful partner that enhances human capabilities. The most important breakthroughs may come not from AI working alone, but from humans and machines working together. The future of artificial intelligence is not just about smarter machines, it's about how we choose to use them. And understanding that difference is essential if we want to have realistic expectations about what AI can and cannot do. If you want to learn more about technology without the hype, subscribe to MetaLogic Labs.